Oh, good morning, guys.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. So we are here at Xcaret? How do you pronounce it? Xcaret? Something like that. It starts with an X. We are here in Mexico, and this is kind of like a amusement park.
Sort of.
Amusement park for Mayan culture and water and animals and such. Kind of like zoo. Has a whole bunch of stuff. Today we're exploring that. We get one free meal included in our package. We took an hour-long bus ride. Yeah, we get one free meal, transportation, and then like 12 hours here. But apparently it's really big.
We're gonna try and get around it all.
It's true. So we're gonna explore. So there's a river that goes all the way around. They said it takes about 45 minutes to get through. There's some entrances and exits all around the park, and you just kind of enter, but it's pretty crazy. But so far it's a lot of Mayan sites and a lot of trees and animals. We got some manatees in that little exhibit there. Oh, there he is. But yeah, we're just kind of walking around enjoying all the stuff before we actually get into the water. I feel like the water's going to be really cold, so we're just kind of enjoying the dry until we decide to hop in. Are you going to get in the water, babe?
Yes.
Yes. Mom, are you going to get in the water?
Yes.
All right. So far.
I love it.
Love it.
I love this place. Me gusta. I love it.
Mucho. Love. Darlene really wants to see some dolphins, so
I do.
I guess we're headed to see those. And then some food, and then in the water.
Yes.
Preparing us.
So we're finished. We're finished with lunch. We're changed into our swimming attire, and now we are going into these rivers. It's pretty dark in here, but they just sprayed us with very, very cold water. Probably. They always go center. Yes. They said the water is 72 degrees. That's very, very cold. It's not that cold. We enjoy it. Good job, babe.